$4 million, that's how much a badly needed new animal shelter in Copper's Cove might cost.
25 News reporter Adam Schindler shows us how that money is going to help with some upgrades.
This outdated animal shelter here in Copper's Cove is going to be replaced with a brand new state-of-the-art facility, and it's all thanks to the citizens and their votes. Copper's Cove is in desperate need of a new animal shelter, but it comes with a hefty price tag of $4 million. That's why the City Council didn't want to make the decision alone.
The council decided that it would be best for the voters to decide where they were going to spend the money, and so that's where they decided to put it on the ballot to let the voters choose where their tax dollars went.
A gamble that literally paid off when the voters approved the bond on Tuesday, a decision that couldn't have come too soon.
Building B, which is our intake building, with that being our oldest in the facility, that building is showing its wear and tear and age.
In fact, most of the animal shelter is run down with outdated drainage and rusting kennels that are not climate controlled. Climate control is something that is needed and not just for the animals.
As for our food, same thing. Right now we're having to store it in a non-climate controlled environment, and that's something that we do need, and the new shelter will allow us to do.
The new shelter will also provide more space for animals.
Up to 60 kennels for dogs and up to 40 kennels for cats. And that's going to be a huge expansion for us.
And it's all thanks to the voters in Copper's Cove.
The voters stepped up and they realized that it was needed, and they were willing to step up and pay a little bit of taxes every year to help build this new facility.
After the City Council canvasses the votes next week, this plan that's been in the works for nearly 6 years can finally get underway, and the city will have a brand new animal shelter. In Copper's Cove, Adam Schindler, 25 News.